Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to seamlessly bring your customer and vendor balances into QuickBooks Online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the full 2025 guide on importing both customer and vendor balances. Quick, accurate, and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your data into QuickBooks without a hitch. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks login page. Click Sign In, choose QuickBooks Online, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start importing your data. Next, look for the gear icon at the top of your screen. That's your Settings menu. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Import Data. This is where the magic begins. To import your customer balances, select Customers as your record type, then click the Import button. Browse your computer and locate the CSV file containing your customer data. Make sure your CSV file has clear headings and accurate information. Now comes a crucial step: mapping your data fields. QuickBooks needs to understand how your CSV information matches its system, for example, matching customer names, balances, and contact details. Once everything is mapped correctly, click Import again to finalize. QuickBooks will confirm once your customer data is successfully imported. Importing vendor balances is just as simple. Repeat the same steps, but this time choose Vendors as your record type. Upload your vendor's CSV file, map the fields accurately, and click Import. QuickBooks will process your file and confirm the import is complete. And that's it. You've successfully imported both customer and vendor balances into QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing your accounts just got a whole lot easier. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.